Biology, Botany Part 1, Chapter number 1, Lecture number 2, Introduction, Lecture by Mr. Amir Zareen, Nusrat Bhutto, Government Degree Boys College, Liari, Karachi. The topic is Levels of Biological Organization. The biological organization is studied at different levels to understand the various phenomena of life. Biological organization is a complex phenomena. A living organism is composed of highly structured living substance, that is protoplasm. Different levels of organization: atomic, and subatomic level, molecular level, organelles and cellular level, tissue level, organ and organ system level, individual and organism level, population level, community level, ecosystem level, biosphere level. First level, atomic and subatomic level. The atom is the smallest particle of an element which retains the properties of that element. All living and non-living matter is composed of atoms. Particles which make up the atom are subatomic particles, that is, proton, neutron, and electron. Number 2. Molecular level. The atoms of different elements combined by ionic and covalent bond to produce compounds. The most common atoms of biological molecules are hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. The molecules may be macromolecules with higher molecular weights, for example starch, proteins, etc. Micromolecules with lower molecular weights, that is carbon dioxide, water, etc. The biological molecules may be organic molecules and inorganic molecules. Organic molecules contain both carbon and hydrogen. For example, important and abundant organic molecules which are glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, glycerol, nucleotides, that is ATP, ADP, etc. Inorganic molecules which do not contain carbon and hydrogen but other elements like sodium, chloride, etc. Organelle and cell level. The fundamental and functional unit of life is cell. Organelles are subcellular structures within a cell. For example, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, ribosomes, etc. Organelles perform specific function. Due to the presence of organelles, there is a division of labor within a cell. Classification of organelles. Prokaryotes. Such organisms which have limited number and kind of non-membranous organelles are called prokaryotes. Eukaryotes. Such organisms which have large number and kind of membranous organelles are called eukaryotes. Classification of organisms. Unicellular. Simple organisms consist of single cell, for example bacteria, prototists, etc. Multicellular. Complex organisms consist of many cells, that is, up to trillions of cells. For example, fungi, plants, animals, etc. Tissues level. Tissues are group of similar cells which perform similar function. For example, muscles tissues specialized for contraction and movement. Glandular tissues for secretion of hormones. Xylem tissues for conduction of water and minerals. Phloem tissues for translocation of sugar and proteins, etc. Parenchyma tissues for storage of food. Organ and organ system. Group of tissues which organized to perform some particular task are termed as organ. Organ formation in plants is less complex than in animals. Plant organs. Roots. Roots fix the plant, store food, and conduct water and minerals. Shoot. Support aerial parts, that is stem, branches, leaves, and flowers. Leaves. Primary organs for food manufacture. Flowers. Reproductive structure of plants. Individual organisms or organism level. Different organs in plants are assembled to form a plant body. Different organ systems in an animal are assembled to form an organism. Animals. In animals, different systems work in coordinated way. Coordination occurs by nervous system and endocrine system. Plants. Plants also work in a coordinated way. Long-term activities are regulated by plant hormones. Population level. Group of organisms of the same species located in the same place at the same time. Population is a higher level of organization than organisms. As in population, a group of organisms of the same species is involved. For example, number of rats in a rice field, number of students in biology class, human population in a big city. Community level. Population of different species, plants and animals living in the same habitat to form a community. Community may be simple community and complex community. Simple community, where any change can bring drastic and long-lasting effects, that is called simple community. Complex community, where any change can bring slow, gradual and short-term effects. Ecosystem level, a system in which living organisms interacts with its surrounding environment, called ecosystem, and study of the interaction is called ecology or environmental biology. In a community, the organism interaction may occur in following shapes. Number 1, predation. Number 2, parasitism. Number 3, commensalism. Number 4, mutualism. And number 5, competition. Biosphere or biome. Biosphere, a region of the Earth's crust, water and atmosphere inhabited by living things. Biome. Biome